Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing something a little dumb. I'm going to be flying the BabyHawk 4-inch on 6S here. You can see this is a Race Day Quad 6S 650 milliamp hour pack here. So if you've watched my videos on this for the 4S, it's meant for 4S. It has, I believe, 3300 kV motors. It was already pretty nuts on 4S and really fast, so running it on 6S is just going to be just more of, I guess, proof of concept that the equipment can handle it, since this new Emax stack is rated 6S. I'm running the 2.4-inch props for these, and I was considering a 70% throttle limit, but because mama ain't raised no bitch, I'm just going to go 100% and just see what happens. Keep in mind, the tune that comes with for 4S will definitely not work for this thing. It'll oscillate, ask me how I know, just straight up into the moon. So you definitely need to run the 6S tune for this. So let's just go ahead and get this up in the air. See, I actually also turned these LEDs back here to Larson scanner and modified on my throttle, so you can see as I move my throttle they change colors. Just a little cool since I've been messing around with LEDs lately. So let's get this on. Here we go. You can hear how high that idle is. This extra voltage, and I'm hovering at like 10% throttle. That's literally a like a 20% throttle punch there. Like, this thing, it's 3300 kV, which is definitely for 4S. This thing is nuts. But while we have full battery, let's try and do a full speed pass. It's kind of hard. Like, this thing is just so fast. It's really hard to control it. And I would say it's worth noting, because of the KV it's meant for 4S, you're probably not gaining much, so a 70% throttle cut probably is beneficial. Probably here I'm getting a low battery on the buzzer already, because that top 30% is probably only just pulling amps and not actually gaining anything, but hopefully you can tell this lower end is just so responsive. I'm not even getting close to half throttle. Oh, and if you didn't notice, there's deer out there in the back of the yard. Hey, let's see if I can scare them with this. They usually don't really care. I mean, I'm flying close to them. They don't really care. Probably used to it. But this thing is just insane power on 6S. That's like 20% to the throttle, do a full funnel. This thing is insane. And I know the battery does not like it. The battery was already unhappy on 4S. Oh, transmitter battery though. Oh, and I just about killed it. You can definitely feel the battery. You can probably hear it. We gotta get the can catch though. Oh my gosh, let's feel. Oh yeah, this battery is not happy. Let's feel the motors. Motors are definitely blazing hot, but honestly, let me shut off this radio. They're not, the motors aren't as hot as I expected. Definitely, I mean, they are pretty blazing, but because it's completely meant for 4S, and it's like a high kV 4S, and we just went straight to 6S, which is pretty dumb, honestly. They did a lot better than I expected. Honestly, I expected them to smoke, but yeah. So that's going to do it for the video. Pretty short because of the flight time. This thing is definitely optimized for 4S. This was just kind of a proof of concept video, just to see what would happen. If I was going to be racing this guy in the course, I wasn't really getting that much flight time on the 4S 850 that they give. It actually might be worth trying to use this 6S 650 battery here, because it is a larger watt-hour battery, but then chop the throttle to maybe like 60%. I still think it would be plenty fast, but then you might actually be able to extend the flight time quite a bit, so I might have to experiment with that in the future. But that's going to be it for the video. There'll be a link to the BabyHawk if you are interested down below, as well as the other two videos I did for this line of sight on 4S, and then the full FPV review. So yep, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.